Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to downgrade the PS4 from version 12.52 to 9.0. So, let's get started. First, make sure your PS4 is connected to the internet, and then check your current system firmware version. Now head over to your PC or laptop and visit the Post-downgrade site. Follow along with me carefully. For this process, you'll need to enable the bin loader server. So on your PS4, open the internet browser, go to the specified page, and enable the bin loader server. Once it's enabled, go back to your PC and enter your PS4's IP address and DNS address into the required fields. Then click on Start Downgrade Exploit. Next, choose the option Downgrade 12.52 to 9.0. As you can see, the downgrade process will begin automatically. Just wait for it to finish. Once it's done, go back to your PS4 and simply restart it. Now check your firmware again. it should be successfully downgraded to version 9.00. That's it. Your PS4 is now ready to be jailbroken, and you can start enjoying all your favorite games. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.
Fighting ground. One-on-one. Metro City downtown.
I'm tired of playing the sidelines. Gotta make my own highlights. It's time to heat up for the fight of my life. Show 'em what I got, cause you know that it's my time.
All right, let's get it.